Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I am going to show you how to make a beanie cap. I made this baby beanie. It's using only basic stitches. In the base of the cap is made with up to this third round. It was made with a double crochet. Then I used a combination of single crochet and half double crochet. That's a little bit of a nice texture. This goes like this and this makes a different texture. So let us start making one. We are going to make a hat with a diameter 4 inches. It will fit for a newborn baby up to 3 months. So let us start making magic circle just like that. Then hold on to the yarn where it cross over, then insert the hook in the loop, then chain 1. We are going to do double crochet, so we are going to make 2 chains in the beginning. That is considered as the first double crochet. Then we are going to make even number of double crochets. So we have 2, 3, 4, we are going to make a 12 double crochets. Okay, if you don't know how to make a double crochet, just yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, bring up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now grab the yarn again, bring up through the 2 loops on the hook, then do it one more time, yarn over the hook, bring it through the remaining 2 loops. That is 1 double crochet. We made 12 double crochets in this round. Tighten the magic circle, then we are going to make chain 2, which is the first double crochet. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet in each of the stitch. At the end of this row we will have 24 double crochet. 12, 13, 14, 23 and 24. So the round 2 is finished. We have slip stitch to the top of the second chain. Then in the next round we are going to make chain 2, then 1 more double crochet in the same space. Then in the next one we are going to make 1 double crochet. So increase in the next one, that is 2 double crochet. Then in the next one we are going to keep just 1 double crochet. So the pattern is in 2 double crochet in one stitch. The next stitch is like just 1 double crochet. So at the end of this round we will have 36 double crochet. We are finished the third round, and now it measures 4 inches in diameter, so we are not increasing again. Now we are going to cut the yarn and add the next yarn. Now we cut the yarn and finish off. Now we are going to add the next color, which is going to be gray. Because I just wanted to do just like this one. I'm going to do a row of double crochet, not double crochet, half double crochet. For the half double crochet, I'm going to make just a chain one, then a half double crochet. The first stitch, one. So I'm going to crochet over the yarn tail. We will have 36 half double crochets. So we finished the half double crochet round here. I'm going to cut the yarn, then lock this one in place. Now I'm going to attach my teal color again in one of the stitches, then chain one, then I'm going to make a half double crochet. That chain one is considered as a single crochet. Then we are going to skip one stitch. Then in the next one we are going to make a single crochet and half double crochet together. Skip one, then again single crochet, half double crochet. As you can see, I am crocheting over the yarn tail. Then skip one, single crochet and half double crochet in the same space. Then skip one, the next one. Half double crochet is yarn over hook, insert the hook in the space, then bring up a loop, yarn over hook, bring up the loop through the all 3 loops on the hook. Then we are going to skip one, then again single crochet and half double crochet. This is the pattern, single crochet and half double crochet in the same space, single crochet, half double crochet in the same space. Then we are going to skip one, then we are going to make another single crochet and half double crochet. Half double crochet is yarn over hook, insert the hook into the space where we want to make the stitch, yarn over the hook, bring up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over the hook, bring up the yarn through 3 loops on the hook. That's the half double crochet. Then skip one, that's a very beginner pattern. with this pattern you can practice your half double crochets, half double single crochet, double crochet and half double crochet. And here this is the last cluster in this one. Then we are going to slip stitch to the top here. Then chain one and make another half double crochet in the same space. Then skip the next stitch, go to the next one and make a single crochet, half double crochet, skip one, single crochet, half double crochet in the next one. This is the row we are going to repeat. This we are making the height of the beanie. We can see that the hat is taking the shape. If you want to change color, you can change the color, but I am going to do the same way. Now my hat is like 4 inches in diameter and 5 inches in height. This is the last row I am completing. Slip stitch. Now we will do a chain 2 and do one round of half double crochet in each stitch. Then I am going to try a different style edging for the heart. And we are finishing that half double crochet round. We are slip stitching on top of this. After joining and chain 1, we make a double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet. Then we turn it sideways. You can see your double crochet here. Then you make 3 double crochets on that last double crochet you made. Know what I mean? Just like this. If you have trouble here, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to explain it better. Then we are going to make another double crochet in the next stitch, like that. Then yarn over and put a double crochet. We are going to make 3 double crochets on this double crochet we just made. 1, 2 and 3. Then in the, now you see this is slanted, there is a V stitch. Then we are going to make like this one. Then we make 3 double crochet. See how it goes. We'll finish this round and we'll meet again. This is the final 3 double crochets on the stitch. Then now I'm going to finish it off by joining the with a slip stitch the bottom here. Now I'm going to cut the yarn and lock this one in place, and now I can weave the end. Look at that ruffled look. Just like this. So we made one baby cap, a baby beanie in teal and gray colors, and we finished the edging with a little bit of ruffles. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please help this channel to grow. If you have any questions regarding this pattern, please do in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next time with the next pattern. Till then, bye bye.